Cold this morning over the eastern parts of South Africa. It was quite a busy weekend. There was snow on the high ground. This picture was taken in Dordrecht in the Eastern Cape, but there was also snowfalls in Lesotho. This picture was taken on the Sani Pass. And now I've got something to contrast that with. This is a picture of a dust storm, and this took place along the Northern Cape coastline where there's been berg winds all weekend, and it's still quite windy there this morning, and we're expecting another warm day there. Now that's as a result of a deepening low pressure system over the western parts of South Africa, so we can expect showery conditions to spread southwards during the course of the afternoon. But in the east, after the snowfalls over the weekend, it's completely clear over the higher lying areas of KZN as well as Lesotho this morning. But there's been some low cloud over Gauteng, and that's as a result of a high pressure system that's still bringing in cold air and also quite a bit of moisture. Now we're expecting the cloud over Gauteng to clear during the course of the afternoon. The low cloud on the high veld will also make way for a bit more sunshine, but in the west it's going to become cloudy throughout the afternoon over the Western Cape, showers spreading southwards, and we could even expect a bit of rain out of this cloud over Cape Town and George later on towards this evening. So we have a 60% chance for thunder showers over the central parts of the Northern Cape today. Later on, only a 40% chance over the Western Cape, and then showers will continue to affect the north coast of KZN. A dry day in the low veld and a bit of drizzle later on for the northern escarpment areas. Now let's take a detailed look at morning temperatures at the moment. We can see shades quite yellow over the western parts of the Northern Cape. That's as a result of the berg winds this morning, but it's cold in the Western Cape, single-digit morning temperatures. Much colder though in the Eastern Cape, with lows below 0 degrees in Graafrenet and Aliwal North. In the Free State, sub-zero temperatures in the Eastern Free State, and we'll see temperatures start to rise quickly now after sunrise. 0 degrees in Vereniging, 4 in Johannesburg, very cold over the southern high veld as well, with temperatures below 0, and 4 degrees in Polokwane. Now daytime temperatures are going to recover slowly in the northeast today. In Gauteng, partly cloudy conditions, a high of only 15 in Johannesburg, 18 in Mahikeng, and it's going to remain quite cloudy this afternoon. In the low veld, Phalaborwa staying quite chilly as well. In the Eastern Free State, a high of only 13 degrees in Bethlehem, 14 in Vryheid, and a bit more sunshine in the Eastern Cape this afternoon, with highs reaching the upper teens. Now for the coastal areas, quite a cold day for Durban standards, 19 degrees there, partly cloudy, light easterly winds. There's only a 2-meter open ocean swell that's coming in from the south. Breezy conditions along the Eastern Cape coastline, especially near PE, where we're expecting speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour. We're expecting some showers later on in the afternoon in the Western Cape, Oudtshoorn reaching a high of 19, Worcester as well. And for the southern coastal areas, it remains quite breezy, especially near Cape Agulhas, where wind speeds could reach about 40 kilometers per hour at times, and there's a 2-meter open ocean swell. The western interior will remain cold underneath all of that cloud cover, especially the high-lying areas, 10 degrees in Sutherland and 22 in Uppington. Springbok with showers and thunder showers, but then a dry day for the western coastal areas where berg winds continue in Alexander Bay. Wind speeds between 30 and 40 kilometers per hour, and it's warm there once again with a high of 27. Fresh offshore winds in Lambert's Bay as well. In Cape Town, a maximum of 20 degrees with partly cloudy weather, and there we're expecting a 2.5-meter open ocean swell. For tomorrow, showery conditions persist over the western parts. We're expecting some rain in Cape Town, but with fairly pleasant daytime temperatures and a maximum of 23. Mostly sunny conditions over Gauteng, but the low temperatures are here to stay for the next couple of days.